I want to preface this video by saying that this dashboard is available in my Etsy store. I will be reviewing my own product, and if you are okay with that, please continue watching. I want to give you a quick recap of how the dashboard and app work. This is a Google Sheet that comes with a mobile app that allows you to fill out your transactions right from your phone. So instead of coming home and filling out a spreadsheet, you can fill out the information on your phone or your desktop. Additionally, you can share the app with someone else if you have joint finances. Since it's a Google Sheet, you never have to share your private information. The data is yours and no one else's. Below is a list of the features available on the app and dashboard. At the time of purchase, both the Google Sheet and App Sheet are transferred to your Gmail account. I want to quickly go over the brand new Prosper Project dashboard. It's very similar to the previous dashboard, but I wanted a more appealing look, and I also wanted to add a brand new color scheme and features. Now let's go over the header. The header area is pretty much the same, just some changes to the look of the logo. You have your logo, net worth, monthly quote, and goal section. Now let's move over to the top of the dashboard. Here we find income, savings, and expenses for the selected month. You select your current month by using the drop-down option like this. These are the three main KPIs of the top portion of the dashboard. This is your income for the month. It adds all your income streams together. Over here we move to savings. Below is the percentage. This is a brand new feature. It provides you with the percentage of savings from the total income for that month. Next we have expenses. You are probably wondering why the total percentage of expenses is over 100%. This is because of credit card usage. If you use your credit card, then you are spending non-income money or credit. The percentage allows you to see what percentage you are saving and what percentage you are spending from your total income. Here on the side, we have a monthly breakdown of the main three KPIs: income, savings, and expenses per month. You get to see what you have earned, saved, and spent monthly. Now below we have charts. In this section are charts for the selected month. We have a pie chart that gives you a breakdown of your income by source. Next to that we have a pie chart that gives you a breakdown of your savings. For example, this chart is broken down into savings and a Roth IRA account. This is a chart that breaks down your spending by category. This allows you to see your category spending from the largest to the lowest amount for the selected month. Next we have two charts that analyze your net worth compared to your goal. You get to keep track how far or close you are to your main goal. The following charts are new and were not in the previous versions. I have added a BS spending breakdown. This chart allows you to see your BS spending by category for the year. Unlike the other charts, this chart is set up for the whole year instead of by month. Let me know if you think it should be done by month as well. On the side, you get a breakdown of your BS spending broken down by month, so that you can keep track of unnecessary spending. This can help you catch your bad spending habits and make changes if necessary. Another new feature is the credit card spending by month feature. This feature allows you to track your credit card spending. This is a great feature if you are not a credit card person. This means you find yourself using your credit card mindlessly often and getting into unnecessary debt. This will help you stay on track of your credit card spending and know where your money is going to. This was a quick summary of the new Prosper Project dashboard. This dashboard and app were created to help you keep track of your spending. There is a link in the description to my Etsy shop if you are interested. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and this would truly help my channel. I am hoping to continue to add more digital products that can help you with saving time and getting more done quickly. Thank you for watching. Bye.